Hello guys, my name is Tony Collier. Today we're going to be doing a science project and we're going to see if water and oil will mix together. So for my hypothesis, I don't think that water and oil will mix together. So for my materials, we're going to be using a spoon, a glass of water, a top, some vegetable oil, and for our surprise mixers, we're going to be using dish soap and Gatorade. So we're going to see if the water and the oil mix together. So what I'm observing right now is that there's so many bubbles in the water and it's not mixing with the water. So let's see if what happens when we stir it together. So what we're seeing is that it's going into like tiny little bubbles. So like earlier, we saw there was big bubbles. And now that we mixed it together, now we see tiny bubbles. The reason why the water and the oil are not mixing together is because they're two different molecules. So we are going to see if the Gatorade mixes with the oil. And let's see if it makes it mix together. Now let's mix it. Add some dish detergent with water to see if it will mix. So for my conclusion, the oil and the water did not mix. So we added Gatorade and we mixed it up and it still doesn't mix. So the oil and the Gatorade didn't mix. So as we saw earlier, we mixed the dish detergent and the water together. You saw that the dish detergent just went clear and it faded away. Goodbye everybody, goodbye my classmates and wonderful friends.